I got a delivery. Okay, Delta.
I just got this sent to me from Delta.
Shall we see what's in it?
Let's unbox this. Hello, I'm Luan.
I'm Simi,
I'm Gabe.
Hey guys, my name is Sophie.
and we're partnering with
To
Delta.
learn how to fly and live better.
Okay.
Okay, let's open it up.
Stop! This is so cute!
Whoa, this looks super cool.
This is adorable. Oh my god. Wait.
This is what we have. I'm gonna unbox this real quick. Ah, I'm so excited. First of all, we have, of course, the Delta plane. We're gonna be flying. I am so excited. We also have some base slingback luggage.
There are so many compartments.
Oh, it's like a base little travel pack. Oh, I like the zipper on this.
Shout out to Bays, we love Bays.
Check out this carry-on suitcase. I actually love this color. I've never had an actual carry-on suitcase, so this is gonna come in super clutch for this trip.
Look at this Delta merch.
We also have some sweet Delta merch.
Looks like it's my size too.
It's so cute.
Ah! Cadence.
Ooh, it's a little travel set.
Yeah. Needed that.
And of course, Hilton for the stay. Love this bag. Actually really cool. Look at the buttons on it.
Delta already sent us each an Oura ring.
I already have her on to track my biometric response to travel, my mental health, how all this impacts it. Because yes, this is also science, folks. This is science.
That way we can track our stress levels, heart rate, sleep, all that good stuff to see how traveling affects our mental health in each location.
Sophie, let's go.
We've got our travel itinerary. Oh, this is cool.
Because for Sky Miles members, we get access to Sky Miles experiences in both cities, which I'm super excited about. So more to come on that.
Yeah, Seattle.
All right, well, now I have to go pack for my trip to Seattle.
I'm super late. I gotta go pack.
Sophie is on her way to Seattle. Bye.
I'll see you in Seattle. Thank you so much, Delta. Bye, guys.
See you soon. Mwah.
All right, bye.